Choosing the right wax for your skin. Compare different wax types: hard wax, soft wax, sugar wax, and explain which works best for sensitive skin or coarse hair. 2. Proper skin preparation. Discuss the importance of exfoliating, cleaning, and ensuring skin is dry before waxing for better results and less pain. 3. Setting up a waxing space. Provide a step-by-step guide on creating a clean, comfortable, and safe workspace at home for DIY waxing. 4. Ideal hair length for waxing. Explain how hair should be 1/4 inch long for effective waxing and what happens if it's too short or too long. 5. Mastering wax application techniques. Demonstrate how to apply wax evenly in the direction of hair growth for smooth removal and fewer missed spots. 6. The best time to wax. Highlight the importance of waxing after a warm shower and avoiding waxing close to menstrual cycles when skin is more sensitive. 7. Breathing techniques to minimize pain. Offer tips on deep breathing and relaxation to make the waxing experience less painful. 8. How to pull wax strips like a pro. Teach the importance of pulling wax strips parallel to the skin, not upward, to reduce pain and avoid breaking the hair. 9. Preventing ingrown hairs. Share aftercare tips, such as regular exfoliation and moisturizing, to avoid ingrown hairs and keep skin smooth. 10. Post-wax skincare. Suggest calming remedies like aloe vera gel or anti-inflammatory creams to soothe redness and irritation. 11. Avoiding common mistakes. Address common DIY errors, like reapplying wax on the same area, overheating wax, or waxing too quickly. 12. Benefits of waxing over shaving. Highlight how waxing leaves skin smoother for longer, reduces regrowth, and can even make hair grow back finer over time. 13. Waxing for beginners. Create a simple beginner's guide with easy steps and clear instructions for those waxing at home for the first time. 14. Exploring pain relief options. Discuss natural remedies like using ice packs, numbing creams, or taking a mild pain reliever before waxing. 15. Addressing specific areas. Break down how to wax challenging areas like the bikini line, inner thighs, and lower abdomen with detailed techniques. 16. Hygiene and safety tips. Emphasize the importance of sterilizing tools, using fresh strips, and avoiding double dipping in the wax pot. 17. Signs to avoid waxing. Educate viewers on when not to wax, such as if they have cuts, sunburn, or skin conditions like eczema. 18. How often to wax. Explain the optimal time between waxing sessions, 4 to 6 weeks, to maintain smooth skin and allow proper hair regrowth. 19. Eco-friendly waxing tips. Introduce sustainable waxing options like biodegradable wax strips and eco-friendly packaging for a greener beauty routine. 20. Myths about waxing debunked. Address misconceptions such as waxing makes hair grow back thicker or waxing permanently damages skin. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content like this one.